In a city full of concrete, what if your home was inside a Miyawaki forest-themed community? This is the Right Life Forest Province. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of the Right Life Phase 2, that is Forest Province by Maniskanda, located in Sarjapur, Bangalore. And right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office and this is the marketing office of the Right Life. And the main entrance, so just behind me over here is the main entrance of our township. Basically, they'll be having two entrances. One is over here and the second entrance is just few meters away, which I'll clarify you via master plan. So stay tuned until the end. Now, before moving further, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. Now let's discuss about the project overview. The Right Life is a 100-acre of integrated township and here's the master plan of it. So we have two entrances. This is your entrance number 1 and once you enter, right over the side is your phase 1 which was launched earlier. And now we have launched with phase 2 in the name of Forest Province and which can be easily accessed from the entrance number 2. Now this is the beautiful miniature of a Forest Province and this project is spread across 10 acre of land parcel consisting of 4 residential tower with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 33 floors offering you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies developed in Miyawaki forest theme, and there will be maximum of open space in the project. Now about the location part, and our project is located bang on Vartur Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So right now I'm standing on the first entrance of our project. Here's the first entrance and now about the Vartur Sarjapur Road which is right in front of me. So this is the Vartur Sarjapur Road. This road on the left hand side will connect you towards Vartur and the right hand side road will take you towards Sarjapur. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location parts. So you can connect to Greenwood High International School in just 3 minutes from the project, where RGA Tech Park is just 16 minutes away. Wipro Kodeti is just 18 minutes from this project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. Here's the swimming pool, forest area, perfect for your relaxing, pets park, multi-purpose court and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and as mentioned this project offers you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies where 3 BHK starts from 1700, 3.5 BHK starts from 2300 and 4 BHK starts from 2600 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking with flexible payment plan. So everyone, this was the project overview of the Right Life Phase 2, that is Forest Province by Maniskanda, which is located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.